Stop doing the same old routine. Do this road trip instead. Fall is the perfect time for a Michigan to Canada adventure. Start your journey in Port Huron, home to Michigan's oldest lighthouse. Snap some pictures and enjoy the views of Lake Huron. Time to cross the border at the Blue Water Bridge. Have your passport ready. Next up, we're exploring Canada. In Sarnia, enjoy the beautiful Canatara Park. Beaches, trails, and even a zoo. It's perfect for family fun. Love beaches? Head to Grand Bend, Ontario for a day of sun, sand, and local shops. Further up the coast, Bayfield is a picturesque village with historic buildings, boutique shops, and excellent dining options. For a scenic hike, don't miss the Bayfield River Valley Trail. From Michigan to Canada, this road trip has something for everyone. So hit the road and let the adventure begin. Visit us on thumbwind.com for all sorts of travel ideas around the Great Lakes.